was registered on the 9th morning. One of the actors of Kannada film industry has been detected and he is being questioned. The details are yet to be ascertained, and since the matter is under investigation, further details.
So who is the victim, sir? Any details?
Victim is one person from Chitradurga. He is about 33 years old. His name is Venkata. He is asserted to be the victim.
Sir, all of them are detained or arrested, sir?
They are being questioned.
They are being questioned. Sir, how many have been detained in this case?
They are being questioned.
Sir, how many, sir?
They are being more than 10%.
And he has been murdered with a knife or what, sir? Yes, sir.
Further details are available.
Sir, this Darshan has been picked up for questioning, not arrested. Can you say this?
Thank you.
ನೀವು ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.